From the pioneers who redefined implant dentistry comes the next frontier in robot-assisted surgery. Yomi S is the second-generation system, delivering the trusted precision and predictability of robotics. With stunning upgrades that make Yomi S smarter and easier to use. Because Yomi S is a fully digital platform, you can go from planning to guided surgery immediately, and even change your plan on the fly if needed. Intraoperatively, Yomi S provides multi-sensory guidance to help you place implants exactly where you've planned.
Tilt handpiece. At depth.
Think of Yomi as your robotic assistant, with a multimodal interface that seamlessly adapts to your clinical workflow.
Yomi, next.
Guided on 27.
With its space-saving design, guide arm that maneuvers how you want, and integrated drill console, Yomi S has been thoughtfully engineered with user ergonomics and patient comfort top of mind. Ready to transform your implant practice and deliver restorative outcomes your patients will love? The future of implant dentistry is now.
Hello, doctor.